Hello, welcome back. In the last video, I have given an assignment. In that, I gave two problems. Write the set of all natural numbers which divide 28 in both roster and set builder form. The second one is given elements of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Write the set in roster and set builder form. Hope you could solve it. I am giving the solution for your benefit. First, what are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. So these are the elements in the set. How to write in the roster form? The roster form, simple. A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. We'll give all the list of elements. In the set builder form, we have to give the property of the element so that it describes the element of the set. X is such that X belongs to n natural number and 28 mod X equals to 0. 28 mod X means 28 divided by X gets the remainder is 0. Because these are factors of 28, the remainder is always 0. This property we described in this set builder form. In the set builder form, we describe the common property of all the elements in the set. Next, the second one. The collection of elements is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the roster form, it's pretty simple. You can write all the elements within the curly brackets. A equals to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, in the set builder form, A equals to, we will write like this. We will describe the common property of all the elements within the curly brackets. X such that X belongs to n natural number and 4 is less than or equal to X less than or equal to 10. That means the X lies between 4 and 10. 4 is inclusive and 10 is not included. That means less than 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the elements. Now we'll go to the solutions to the exercise 1.1. In this video, we are going to discuss class 11th mathematics chapter 1 solutions to exercise 1.1. Before going to the solutions, don't forget to see the introduction part of 1.1 exercise. The link is given in the description box below. Some statements are given below. We have to mention whether they are sets or not, and we have to justify that. First one, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So what are the months starting with J? January, yes. February, no. March, no. April, May, no. June, yes. July, yes. August, September, October, November, December, no. So collection of months of the year beginning with the letter J is, these are the months we are starting with J. So we can write in we can represent the set. So the collection of the months of year beginning with the letter J is January, June and July. It's a well-defined collection because only these three elements will satisfy the property of the given statement. Hence it is a set. It's a well-defined collection of elements. So it is a set. Next one. What is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India? See, this is again, it is a matter of perception. The answer will not be unique and you will get different answers from different people. So the collection of 10 most talented writers of India will vary from person to person. Hence it is not a set because it is not having a well-defined collection of elements. So it is not a set. Next one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. See, this is again a matter of perception. The answer will not be unique and you will get the different answers from different people. That is the same answer. So this is not a set. It's not a well-defined collection of elements are there. So it is not a set. Okay. The collection. Next one. We'll move to the next one. The collection of all boys in your class. See, the collection of boys in your class is well defined because since any person can identify a boy belong to that class, whether he belongs to that class or not, you can identify that. So there is no dispute. You will get the same answer from anybody you ask. So hence it is a set. Next one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. How do you write them? The collection of all natural numbers less than 100 can be written as, in the curly brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on up to 99. It is a well-defined collection of elements. So hence it is a set. So this fifth one is, the collection of all natural numbers is a set. We'll move to the next one. The sixth one, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So the list of all the novels written by Munshi Premchand are fixed and well defined. It will not change from person to person. So the collection of all novels written by Munshi Premchand is well defined, since the list remains same no matter who mentioned them. So hence it is a set. Next one, the collection of all even integers. What are the even integers? The collection of all even integers can be written as minus infinity. It comes to -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, and goes on to positive infinity. It is well defined. These are all even integers. So this is a well defined collection, hence it is a set. We will move to the next one. The eighth one is the collection of questions in this chapter. The questions are, you can see there are very fixed number of questions are there in this chapter. They are well defined and tangible. So this is a well defined set. The collection of all the questions in this chapter is well defined. So well defined elements. So hence it is a set. Next one is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. This is a matter of perception. Some animals may be dangerous to you. That animals may not be dangerous to your friend. So it's not a well defined collection of elements. It is not a set. Hence it is not a set. So this collection varies from person to person. These elements are not well defined. So hence it is not a set. We'll move to the next question. So in this question, a set is given. Let A be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements in this set. Insert the appropriate symbol epsilon or does not belong to. Epsilon not translated. In the blank spaces. Epsilon, this means this symbol says that the element belongs to the set. This symbol says that the element does not belong to the set. So we have to insert the proper symbol in this blanks. Now see, first one, 5 is what? Belongs to or does not belong to A? 5 is present in the set A. So it belongs to A. So 5 belongs to A. Similarly, 8. 8 is a 8 element belongs to A? No, it does not belong to A. So 0 belongs to A? No, it does not belong to A. So this does not belong to A. 4 belongs to A? Yes, it belongs to A. 2 belongs to A? Yes, it belongs to A. 10 belongs to A? No, it does not belong to A. See, this example is to highlight the use of epsilon, belongs to or does not belong to. We'll move to the next question. So the next one, write the following sets in roster form. The first one is set A equals to, within curly brackets, x such that x is an integer and -3 less than or equal to x less than 7. This is in the set builder form. We have to write it in the roster form. What are the elements in this set? You can say -3 is included. -3 is included in this and 7 is not included. From -3 to 6, all elements, integers are elements of this set in the roster form. We'll see the set in the roster form. The elements are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the roster form, the set is within the curly brackets all these elements. A equals to curly brackets minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. All these elements within the curly brackets separated by comma. Okay. The next one is B x such that x is a natural number less than 6. This is also similar to the previous one. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is not included. In the roster form, the set is B equals to curly brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separated by commas, and these are the elements. This is the roster form. Next one. C is such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Here you can see the condition is it's a 2-digit natural number, and second condition is the sum of its digits is 8. So with these two conditions you have to get the number of natural numbers. You have to get the natural numbers. That means, say for example, see 8, 2-digit number. It will start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Suppose 17. 17 is what? The sum of 2 digits is what? 8. So 17 is a qualified number. And 18, 20, 21, 26. Next one is 26. You can see 26. 26 is qualified to be, the sum is 8. So this is the set. This is an element of the set. Like that we can get all the numbers up to 2 digits numbers. Last one can be in the 90s. There will not be any number which will, the sum can be 2. Sum can be 8. So we'll have 8 plus 0, 8. This is the last number, 8 plus 0, 8. This is the last element we can get satisfying all these conditions. Let us write all the elements. So the elements are 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. These are all natural numbers. First condition. Second condition is 2-digit natural numbers, 2 digits, and this sum of the digits is 8. So in the roster form we can write, in roster form the set is, we can call it C, 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. We'll move to the next question. See, next one is D. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. See, what are the divisors of 60? You can write 2, 3 is also divisor, 5, 6 is also divisor, 10, up to 60 is there. These are all divisor. These are the factors, you can say. But what are the prime numbers? 6, 10, 60, they're all not prime numbers. Only 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. The prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. The elements are 2, 3, 5 and the roster form, the set is that D is equals to 2, 3, 5. Next one. E is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. See here, you have to write all the letters, removing the repeating letters. The elements are T, R, I, G, O, N. O is repeated, so I'm not writing again. M, E, T, R is again repeating, so I am not writing it. Y. These are the elements. In the roster form, the set is E equals to TRI, GON, MEY. The next one. F is the set of all letters in the word better. It is similar to the previous problem. We will write down all the elements, removing the repeated letters. The elements are B, T, E is there, and R. In the roster form, B, T, E, R are the elements. We'll move to the next one. So next, fourth question. Write the following sets in the set builder form. See, to write a set in the set builder form, we have to observe the elements. We have to note what common property these elements are sharing. Identify that and write down in the set builder form. That common property can vary. So set builder form can have more than one answers. Now, coming to the first question, 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the common property in this? See, it can be written as 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 and 3 into 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. The multiples are natural numbers. So we identified some common property of these elements. Now it is easier to write in set builder form. What is it? You see, in set builder form, the set is S equals to X such that X is equal to 3n, 3 into n. N belongs to n natural number and 1 is less than or equal to n less than 5. That means n lies between 1 and 5. 1 including and 5 is not included in this. So 1 to 4. This set builder form. This is the set builder form. You understood. You have to find out the common property that all these elements share. That is the requirement to write in set builder form. The next question, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You can observe this. What these numbers look like what? These numbers are 2 to the power of natural numbers starting from 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8, raised to 4 is 16, raised to 5 is 32. So that is the common property. Now it is easy to write the set in set builder form. First the elements are 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. Now it is easy to write in set builder form. In set builder form, the set is A equals to X such that X is equal to 2 raised to n and we have to give the range of n. N belongs to n natural number and 1 is less than or equal to n is less than 6. That means n lies between 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the set builder form. We'll move to the next question. This is 525, 125, 625. If you observe, it is similar to the previous problem. These numbers are 5 raised to the natural numbers. We'll write the elements first. The elements are 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 4. In set builder form, the set is B equals to X such that X is equal to 5 raised to n. The n belongs to natural number capital N and 1 is less than or equal to n less than 5. We'll move to the next question. The next one is 2, 4, 6 and it goes on with the series. You can observe it can have multiple ways of writing set builder form in this. See, one is you can see these are the all even natural numbers. That is one property. And second one is you can see it is multiple of 2. Means 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. It goes on like that. I will show you both the ways. Its elements are 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. Or simply 2, 4, 6, so on. In set builder form, the set is M equals to X such that X equals to 2n and n belongs to natural number n. That means all natural number 2, 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, it goes on like that. Or this can be written M equals to X such that X is an even natural number. So I want to demonstrate this set builder form. You can have more than one solution. Next one is 1, 4, 9, 100. On observing that, we can see these are the perfect squares of natural numbers. This is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, and this is 10 square. We write the elements and we will write it in the set builder form. The elements are 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and so like that it is up to 10 square. In set builder form, the set is m equals to x such that x is equal to n square. N belongs to n natural number, and 1 is less than or equal to n less than 11. That means n lies between 1 and 11, 11 not included, 1 is included. So you understood set builder form. You have to find out the common property in the elements. That is the only challenge in this. The fifth question. Now list all the elements of the following sets. See, this is given in the set builder form. You have to write it in the roster form. List all the elements of the following sets means write it in the roster form. See, what are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5. It goes on like that. So, what is the set in the roster form? It is simple, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In the curly brackets, you write separate call elements separated by comma. This is in the roster form. Next one. X is such that x is an integer minus half less than x less than 9 by 2. X is an integer. Remember that. So, what are the elements? So, what is the nearest integer? Minus half. Next is what? 0 is the nearest integer. Integer, I am telling you, this minus half is the fraction. Next is, before that, minus 1 is there, which is less than minus half. So we cannot take this number minus half less than x. That means after minus half, 0 is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, 5 cannot be qualified in this set because it should be less than 9 by 2. That is 4.5. So 5 is not allowed. This is also minus 1 is not allowed. These are the elements. So in the roster form, the elements are, so in the roster form, the set is B equals to the curly brackets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, curly brackets closed. So this is in the roster form. Next one. What is next one? C equals to x such that x is an integer, x square is less than or equal to 4. See, remember x is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4. What are the elements? X square is less than or equal to 4. Suppose it is 4. What is square root of that? Plus or minus 2. So this range is from minus 2 to plus 2. Agreed? So minus 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. And 0 square is 0. And you can include plus 1 in this. Plus 1 square is 1. So then also this plus 2 square is this. So the range is, the elements are in the roster form. C equals to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Clear? See, we have to see x square less than or equal to 4. That means when it is equals to 4, what is the square root of that? It is plus or minus 2. From there, you will get the solution. Next is set D. D is x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So we have to write it in the roster form. This is pretty simple. We have to remove the repeating letters. Write all the letters and remove the repeated letters. The set D is L, O, Y. A is not repeated. The set D is L, O, Y, A. L is repeated, so don't write again. So this is this roster form of the, in the roster form, this is the set. Next one. See, E is X is such that X is a month of year, not having 31 days. It's pretty straightforward. We can give the list of all the months which are not having 31 days in the roster form like this. That is February, April, June, September and November. These are the months that are not having 31 days. So we'll move to the next question. In this question, he is asking X is such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. That means it should be a consonant, not a vowel, and before the letter before the K. All the letters before K. You can write down all the letters before K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So K. K, can strike it off. All the consonants. So vowels will cut. B, C, D, F, G, H, J are the letters required in the roster form. So the roster form is F equals to B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are the elements which is satisfying this condition. So we'll move to the last question of the exercise. In the question number 6, the last question, match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in set builder form. This is roster form and this is set builder form. You have to match them. So let us start with the first one. 1, 2, 3, 6. Check the first one. X is a prime number and is a divisor of 6. So 6 is not a prime number. So this doesn't match with this. X is an odd natural number less than 10. No, this is 2 and 6 are not odd natural numbers. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. Yes, this one will match with the C. 1, 2, 3, 6 is a natural number and divisor of 6. Next, 2, 3. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. This will match with the first one. 2, 3 is such that X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Next, MATHEICS. Clearly this is X is a letter of the word mathematics. This roster form is matching with the D. X is a letter of the word mathematics. The last one, 13579 is X is an odd natural number less than 10. This matches with B. In the end, I want to give you an assignment. See, look at these two questions. Write the solution of the set of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0 in roster form. The second one is write the set A 1, 8, 27, 64, 124 in a set builder form. We'll meet you in the next video. The solution of this assignment will be given in the next video. You solve it on your own. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.